Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we are putting the finishing touches on a remodel. All right, this is a good one. We're actually in Mobile, Alabama. Came over here, guys seen the videos, liked our work, so what we did was cut off these big limbs. We blew all this out. We're gonna continue to get all this. We gotta get all these sticks. We're gonna make a flower bed, come out here, pine straw, turn this one into a flower bed, rip out those, get all this cleaned up. Got a dumpster right there. We're putting this dirt in a hole over here. You can see, filling in that hole. Customer also had a bunch of extra sand, so we filled in all these low spots. We're also gonna rake that down. We got some more sand, kind of level out the low spots, and then we're gonna put some ryegrass and some centipede out at the same time. It's in the fall time right now, so we're gonna put the combined mixture because the ryegrass will start growing right now, and then by the time it dies, the centipede will start coming. Got everything smooth over here. His extra sand that he needed us to get rid of, we just kind of fill in the low spots and raked it out up there at the top. And now time to get rid of all this debris. All right, let's edge this driveway. One of the projects we're actually about to do right now is put some timbers here. Like I said, it's not exactly what I wanted to do, but it's not always my decision, you know. But we always work with a budget, and we are working with it. So we're gonna put timbers down here, 2 high and 3 high here where it's higher. We're going to screw each one to each other, and then put a stake behind each one and screw it to that, and then nail them all together. All right, we are in crunch time. Landscape timbers in. Landscape timbers in. Got Aiden over here. Go through here. Like I said, that one's gonna be rounded. Got all our pine straw. Let's get these plants buried. That's from the front yard. All right. Coming along, coming along. Got this one done, nice circle. Working our way around. Coming through here, constantly cleaning. All right, folks, and that's another job completed. We got the landscaping timbers down, a brand new landscape going all the way around. Putting the last touches, put out some ryegrass and centipede in the back. It's another job completed.